guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to cater to our gluten-free friends. We're going to make some zucchini bread. We're also going to be using Bob red mill gluten-free flour, 1-to-1 baking flour. Also in this we're going to use applesauce. We're going to use sugarcane, dehydrated sugarcane juice. If you have any other sweetener that you want to use, by all means go right ahead and use it. Let's get straight into this video. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, comment if you like the video, and subscribe to our channel. Let's get straight into this video, guys. I want to use 1.5 cups of zucchini, so we're going to grate the zucchini, guys. I also want you to drain out the excess water that's in the zucchini. Remember, zucchini contains a lot of water. We don't want our cake or bread or any pastry at all, if you're going to use zucchini, to be too watery, right? So you want to just get rid of some of the water. Almond essence. We're going in with apple cider vinegar. We want to use 1 teaspoon. And then you can give that a little mix just to combine all of your ingredients together. Alright, we can rest this aside now, right? Let's work with our dry ingredients. I've sifted my gluten-free flour. We're going to add in some cinnamon powder, mixed spice, going in with some nutmeg. Also, I'll be using some gluten-free baking powder, some baking soda. Combine all of our ingredients. Don't forget the salt. You know the salt bring up the flavor of your pastry, right? I'm also gonna add in some cardamom. I don't have the powder, but I just take it out the pocket part. So I'm combining the seeds in there. We're gonna go in with our liquid ingredients now. Mix it, Zach, please. Add in our zucchini. And don't worry how dry it may seem at first when you're mixing it. Don't worry about that, guys, because remember, there's still water in the zucchini that will help this, all right? What I like to do when I'm baking is to still taste your butter if it need any like salt or a little bit more sweetener. Alright, you notice how the butter come together really nicely? Now, I want to point out, if is it that your butter is too stiff while you're working with it, go ahead and add like a tablespoon at a time of water or some of the zucchini juice, right? We're going to pour it in our grease baking tin, and we want to make sure that your oven is already preheating, because we're going to bake this at 180 degrees for 30 minutes, all right? And if you have nuts, you can always feel free to add it as well to it. I didn't have any available at the moment. See you after 30 minutes. Alright guys, our zucchini bread has finished baking. Let's cut it and give you guys a slice. So you know you free up the edges. And this is how it's looking, guys. You know, once you free up the sides and you allow it to cool down, it will be good to come out the tin, right? This is a nice bread you can have as a snack or breakfast. Let's slice into it now. See, the texture of it is really soft and moist. Oh my God, good with a nice cup of hot Jamaican chocolate tea. Yes, man. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye.